Are you struggling to put food on the table? Are you worried you don't know where your next meal is going to come from? Your food cost is the most controllable item in your budget. Let me show you how to take care of that. Let me show you how to make a meal today. We're going to do a quesadilla. It's going to be inexpensive. It's going to be fun. It's going to be very easy to do. And we're starting out with 10-inch flour tortillas. These are 25 cents a piece. I buy a pack of 20 at Sam's. We're going to start with some ground beef and ground sausage. I buy these in bulk and I cut these up and freeze them. A little sour cream, some salad mix that we have left over, actually from last night, some refried beans, some shredded cheese, and some Pablano Habanero sauce. I made this in a video. I'll leave a link to it. This stuff will make your tongue want to slap your mouth. It's that good. Anyway, let's turn the stove on, get together. We also have a red Italian pepper, and we have some green onions. You can use anything you want to. The purpose of this video is not to teach a recipe. The purpose of this video and the entire video series in this channel is to teach technique. So everything in here is interchangeable. We'll talk about that as we go. Let's get the fire started. Let's show you how to do this. Be back in a second. All right, we turn the fire on. We're going to take our 10-inch tortilla and we're going to place it on the pan. You have to get these pliable, have to get them where you can move them around. So you have to heat them up somehow. The best way is in the pan. Don't use a microwave. If you do, they're good at first, but they'll come out real rubbery and real hard. I'm gonna get some oil. Hang on a second. We're gonna take a little cooking oil, this avocado oil, put it in the pan. You want this on a low to medium heat. Don't want to get too hard because you'll burn it too fast. Here you go. You can feel this, it becomes pliable, becomes soft. Meantime, we're going to cut our Italian pepper up. Get your Italian pepper cut up. Smooth strokes with the knife. You do not want to cut yourself. Easy to go. In the trash can. Then we have a bottom of a green onion. We'll cut that up slightly. And then go. This is ready to turn over. See, the low heat made this crispy but still pliable. Right now, while this is still hot, let's add your shredded cheese on there. Let that melt down. We put this on half because we're going to fold this over and cut this into pieces. That's about ready. Put this on a plate and we'll get ready to go for the rest. Turn the fire off. All right, now we have our tortilla ready with the cheese melter on there. Let's turn the fire back on and get back to the main ingredients, the filling which is going in there. Once again, everything on here is unchangeable. I'm just trying to show you how to do this. Let's go. All right, fire's on. Let's start with our ground beef, ground pork mixture. Goes in there. And once again, we're just showing technique here. You can add anything you want to. You can put ground turkey in here. You can put ground tofu in here. You can put leftover chicken. You could use steak. That's totally up to you. What we're working here is technique. We're trying to show you how to stretch your food budget and feed your family on a more economical basis. We eat this all the time. We use all kinds of things in here. The fillings can vary from tomatoes to jalapenos to shredded chicken to leftover roast beef, anything. This is a great meal. Easy, comes together, and very economical. Use what you have on hand. Next, we're going in with our peppers, our green onion bottoms. We'll use the top for garnish. Like I said, this comes together very fast. If you have kids, let them do this also. Teach them how to make this. Everybody can have their own unique flavor, their own unique quesadilla. Getting ready to go. We're going to turn the heat down. We're going to add in our refried beans. As I said, these were leftover refried beans. We also use potatoes sometimes. Microwave them. Now this is done. We're going to add this to our quesadilla. You only want to put it on half. That's done. Put this aside. Now let's get our quesadilla, smooth it over. Let's add our seasoning. This is taco seasoning, granulated garlic, pepper, and a little bit of salt. Add to taste. There you go. Let's add our salad topping. Add our cream cheese. And that's it. Take this, spread it out. Fold this over. Well, that's it for the main part. Now we're going to add a few more ingredients on there that I like. We're going to put our Pablano habanero sauce on there. We're going to add some habaneros. We're going to add some green onion tops to garnish. But once again, you can put anything you want to on there. If you want to add parsley, if you want to add mushrooms in there, anything you want to. This is technique. This is how you save money. This is how you stretch your food budget. When you cook like this, you don't run into waste because everything goes into what you're cooking. Leftovers aren't leftovers. Leftovers are a creation and continuation for a new meal. Keep that in mind. It will save you a lot of money. Now, let's get to finishing this. Okay, here we go. Cut our quesadilla. 1, 2, 3. There it is. 4 pieces of our quesadilla. Sprinkle on some green onion tops. Sprinkle on some habanero. Oh my God, this stuff is really good. Remember, I'll leave a link in the description how to make this. You don't want to miss this. This is really good stuff. And that's it. Habanero sprinkle for garnish. In the comments section, let me know how you would make this. Let me know what ingredients you would use. Let me know what you have on hand. I'm curious to find out. And also, let me know where you're watching from. We get viewers from all over the world. It's interesting, the cultures, what they have to say. So, without further ado, let's try this. All right, here we go. Quesadilla for lunch or dinner or even breakfast. What you can do, you can take this thing and you can use just 2 of these and you can add a side of refried beans, you can add a side of potatoes. You can make this into 2 meals. This is going to be 1 meal. Right now we're going to do one of my favorites. We're going to add cheese sauce so you can watch the pour. Oh my gosh, we're going to need to slow this thing down. This is gorgeous. Here's the final product. Like I said, you can take this and you can split this into two and you can make 2 plates out of this. I'm not going to eat all this, it's going to be too much, but for purposes, we'll show. Look at these. I love tortilla chips. This was just leftover cheese sauce we had, and so I put it in the tortillas. Want to make our plate look pretty. Try this. As usual, that's good. Simple cheese sauce. Let's try quesadilla. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me here. We're going to try one bite. And then stop for the camera. Ready? Here we go. That's very good. The cream cheese that we put in there really kicked it up a notch. Of course, everything is good with cream cheese. The only thing would have been better if we put bacon in here. Bacon and cream cheese make everything better. Anyway, there's so many things you can do with this. You could add cheese sauce on top of the quesadilla. You could add different items here. You could have different sides. You could put refried beans. You could put green beans and mushrooms if you wanted to. This is your plate. This is your house. Use what you have on hand. Use what you have in budget. Don't go out and buy anything specific for a recipe. In the future videos, we'll be interchanging things, showing you techniques, showing you how to make things. In the meantime, quesadilla, you saw how to make it. You have the base. Now you can go forward and you can do anything with that technique. Let me know some of the things you came up with. And I'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye.